Stock market trading is one of the most valuable skills for building wealth and financial independence. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your trading skills, learning the right strategies is crucial. In this video, I'm sharing the top 20 free stock market trading courses that will help you understand the market and trade smarter, all completely free. To make it easy to follow, I've divided the courses into 4 categories. Stock Market Foundations. Technical Analysis and Trading Mechanics to build practical skills. Zerota Varsity Trading Track, Charts, Systems, and Derivatives. Risk Management, Trading Psychology, and Advanced Market Understanding. If you want to start trading confidently and level up your skills, make sure you watch this video till the end. Watch till the end and get access 40 plus free courses on skiller.com. Let's begin with the first category. Course name is Introduction to Stock Markets, Zerota Varsity. This is a strong beginner module that explains how the stock market works, who the participants are, how trades get executed and settled, and the basic concepts you need before you study charts or strategies. It is especially useful if you want an India-focused explanation with clear structure and practical examples. Next course is Introduction to Investments, Swayam, IIM Bangalore. This course helps you understand investing and market decision-making in a structured way. It is useful for building clarity on how investors think about risk and return, valuation logic, and how equity securities are evaluated for portfolios. Next course is Security Analysis and Portfolio Management, NPTL. A detailed course that builds investment analysis skills and portfolio thinking. Even if your end goal is trading, this course strengthens your understanding of risk, return, diversification, and how markets price assets over time. Next course is Financial Markets, Yale University on Coursera. A globally popular course that explains how financial markets function, how risk is managed through institutions, and why behavior and incentives matter in markets. You can typically access the learning content for free through audit mode on Coursera. Next course is Stocks and Bonds, Khan Academy. A simple and clear learning unit that explains what stocks and bonds are, how companies raise capital, and the basic terminology used across markets. This is ideal if you want a quick, beginner-friendly base before moving to trading-focused topics. Let's move to next category: Technical Analysis and Trading Mechanics to build practical skills. Course name is Technical Analysis, School of Pipsology by Baby Pips. This course is a very structured way to learn chart reading and the logic behind technical analysis. It covers concepts like support and resistance, candlesticks, indicators, and common chart patterns in a step-by-step format that is easy to follow for beginners. Next course is Elementary Technical Analysis, School of Pipsology by Baby Pips. If you want a more guided, lesson-by-lesson progression, this section helps you practice core chart skills such as trend lines, channels, support resistance behavior, and candlestick basics. It is useful for building strong chart literacy before you try any strategy. Next course is Introduction to Futures, CME Institute. A beginner-focused course that explains what futures contracts are, how they trade on exchanges, who uses them, and how futures are used in trading and hedging. This is useful even if you trade equities, because it improves your understanding of derivatives and market structure. Next course is Introduction to Options, CME Institute. A clear introduction to options terminology, basic payoff logic, and how options are used to manage downside risk and express market views. It is a good bridge before you move into options strategies and Greeks. Next course is Master the Trade, Futures, CME Institute. A practical learning track for new traders that goes beyond definitions and focuses on how traders think about futures trading scenarios, market behavior, and building a more realistic approach to trading decisions. Let's move to next category: Zerota Varsity Trading Track, Charts, Systems, and Derivatives. Course name is Technical Analysis, Zerota Varsity. This module builds practical chart reading skills with a strong trading focus. It explains candlesticks, trends, support and resistance, indicators, volume, and how traders combine these tools to form a market view without guessing randomly. Next course is Trading Systems, Zerota Varsity. This is about building a repeatable trading process. It helps you think in rules, when to enter, when to exit, how to size positions, and how to avoid emotional decisions by following a defined system. Next course is Futures Trading, Zerota Varsity. A clear introduction to futures, how contracts work, what margins mean, how leverage affects profit and loss, and how futures are used for trading and hedging. Next course is Options Theory for Professional Trading, Zerota Varsity. This course explains options from the ground up at contracts, payoffs, moneyness, time value, volatility intuition, and the basics behind option pricing in Greeks. It is best taken before you try any strategy. Next course is Option Strategies, Zerota Varsity. Once you understand the theory, this module teaches how to structure options trades using spreads and strategy frameworks. It focuses on thinking in terms of scenarios, risk limits, and probability rather than one perfect strategy. Let's move to next category: risk management, trading psychology, and advanced market understanding. Course name is Risk Management in Trading Psychology, Zerota Varsity. This module focuses on the part most beginners ignore: protecting capital and controlling behavior. It explains practical risk concepts, position sizing, loss control, survival mindset, and also how emotions and biases affect trading decisions. This is ideal to do once you understand basic charts, because it helps you trade with discipline instead of impulse. Next course is Trading, Fundamentals of Technical Analysis, New York Institute of Finance on edX. This course strengthens your technical analysis foundation with a more formal approach. It helps you understand why technical analysis works, how price action and indicators are interpreted, and how technical analysis can complement fundamental thinking. It is useful if you want a global market perspective beyond basic chart patterns. Next course is Technical Analysis and the Skill of Day Trading, New York Institute of Finance on edX. A more applied course focused on using charts and technical analysis in fast-moving markets. It introduces how traders identify trade setups, manage risk in short-term trades, and improve execution discipline. This is useful after you already have basic technical analysis clarity. A more applied course focused on using charts and technical analysis in fast-moving markets. It introduces how traders identify trade setups, manage risk in short-term trades, and improve execution discipline. This is useful after you already have basic technical analysis clarity. Next course is Financial Derivatives and Risk Management, NPTL. A rigorous course that helps you understand derivatives and risk management from a structured academic lens. It is useful if you want deeper clarity on how derivatives are used to manage exposure and how risk is measured and handled in financial markets. Next course is Options, Swaps, Futures, MBSs, CDOs, and Other Derivatives, Khan Academy. A clear learning unit that strengthens your understanding of derivatives beyond just strategies. It covers core instruments and explains the logic behind payoffs and risk, which helps you avoid using derivatives without understanding what can go wrong. Thank you for watching. 20 course links waiting for you in the description box.